Oh, that's quick.
Thank you.
That's good.
I need to make a mansion. You get
You know,
money.
no, you need the grand.
Oh no, that's a dream.
It can happen. You just gotta wait.
At least mansion. Last time I got $1,500.
Oh yeah? I've never had the mansion
No, I
feature
don't
yet.
want mini
Oh no 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 no! Oh no! At least the major. That's the worst. That's the worst one.
Stop.
The lines are hitting. Give me some hats.
Sometimes you have to talk to the machine, right?
I agree. Give me some hats or saws. Oh, oh, you're so lucky. Oh my God, so quick.
I told her you have to talk to them sometimes. That's what I do. People think I'm crazy, but no.
No.
I'm here for
You know
fun.
what it is? If you talk to it, it's positive thinking, a law of attraction kind of thing,
more?
right?
Yeah.
The manifestation.
Yeah. It's gonna be good, I think so.
Well, you know why? Because they're making up the mini bonus for you.
What happened?
Hats.
What happened, man?
Oh.
I need a golden one, man.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Come
No.
on.
One more.
Oh, you.
Look.
Everybody's got some. Oh yeah? Ooh. Ooh. That's a lot of hats.
Oh, mini bonus, $40.
Better than nothing.
You calm down, okay?
Oh, that guy got a gold.
All the best.
I know. Ooh. Stupid hats when I don't need you. How come I ain't got nothing? Something. I think this machine isn't paying because the major is so high. Oh my God, that major over there is 5,000. It's huge. Oh, yes. Nice.
We have to stay there.
You got like 3 of them since I sat down. I've got none yet.
This time,
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, one more. Oh.
Oh, so close. Boo. Look.
Okay, that's good. Come on. Hats. Hats.
Nothing still.
I need a golden, please.
Oh, nice,
Oh,
nice,
that
nice.
was
That was nice. That was
Yeah,
really nice.
that was nice. Now I need a golden, please.
How about 4 more hats or 6 more hats? Oh,
Don't even give me one.
not even 1 gold. But you got all the houses.
Yeah, look. Full screen, yeah?
Yeah, full screen, but no,
Full
no,
screen,
no
so
gold.
golden.
Why is everybody hitting these hats? But I am hitting that. I'll get this lady. She hits major. Okay, let's go again. Let's try this. Oh. Oh, that's a nice one. Nothing. Oh, one more. Aww. Right here. Oi. What is this? Everybody's getting into their. Can I get into one too? Alright, let's try this again. Let's try this again. That's not working. Okay, let's go. I just got myself a new subscriber. Thank you, by the way. Oh, I thought you were gonna get it. Yeah, I thought you were gonna get it. Oi, 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 oi. Oh, that's a nice one. That's 60 bucks. Oh, so close. I'm not even getting close to 5. Yay!
Like 5 cents or $5.
I haven't even gone into the bonus yet. It's not very good. Come on! Oh, oh, oh.
Kidding.
How do I get in? Oh.
Nothing.
Don't worry, I haven't got in either. Just let me in once. Let me in once. One time, I just need it. Maybe I don't have enough patience for this game. One more puzzle. Oh.
How do we press the sounds anymore?
Sounds good, but doesn't look good. Oy.
Oh, look at this. Now they want me to put more money in.
Oh, yes, finally! Yay, I'm so happy. My neighbors are happy for me. Oh, yes! Yay! Alright, let's go.
We have to get it together.
Yes. I just need more hats though. Oh, that's a nice hit. Oh, that is a very nice hit. $60? Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, yay, recruiter. Oh, no. Oh, yay. Oh, I got 2 gold. Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh, come on. All right. That's huge. Okay. 1 mansion. Oh, I got 2 mansions. I'm happy with the minor. Give me a minor or mini. I'm happy with mini.
It's a good one.
Yeah, I'm happy with mini. Oh, those are so mini. Oh, come on. Give me a coin. I want a coin. Mini coin. Music. Oh, got a coin. Oh, that's not bad.
Not bad, yeah.
Ooh, $265. 260. I put in 260 already. I just got it back. Yay! What'd you get, girl? Oh, mini times 2. That's good. I'm recording, by the way. Oh, you got your money back? I almost quit. I was like, that's it. Ooh, I'm up.
That was nice.
Yeah, I'm up. Okay, backup spins. Back to back. So close. I just hit a bonus.
One more?
No, I think they want to suck in more $100 from me.
Doesn't it always? Okay, we're gonna do some of the few of these. One more. That was such a good one. Oh! Honey. Yes. I want to mention. Oh, good girl. Hey, we always get in the same time.
I know, right? Before you had a chance, and now I
Yeah.
have a chance.
Stop at the major. No, stop it. Keep going. Really? I actually like the Grat. This one is better. Just a little bit more. I don't like them more.
Same as you.
Oh yeah, same thing. Almost the same spot. Mansion's actually pretty hard to get.
Not even a one bedroom.
Oh, bro. What is this? Only one. I can't even get a mansion. Ah, I got less than you. This is probably one of the worst. Well, at least he's doing good. Give me a mini. Mini. Oh, no, mini. Oh, no. What a garbage. Oh. Okay, let's play. Oh, you're in already? That's quick. That's a nice bet. Good bet.
I don't want it. No one. Wait. I want to try the trick that they do online on TikTok. Once a meeting goes there,
What do you mean?
you have to wait for a meeting to go there, then you get a mansion feature. Let's see
Oh,
if it
really?
works.
Okay, let's see if
I
it
see
works.
the lady
Okay.
on the TikTok
So you just wait till it goes here, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it.
Don't you dare land on me.
Oh, that was close. I don't.
No.
Oh no, he got the spinning. Oh no. Okay, thanks. It's okay. It's $100.
It didn't work.
Maybe we should wait till the grand is there next time.
Next time. Meaning all the way in.
I don't. Are the circles like the same?
The lady waited, like she said mini to go.
I don't know, man.
I just got it. You got it. I know.
All right. Ooh. We're gonna. One more. No, so cheap. All right, we're gonna call it a day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. $10 free play for it. And see what we get. Oh, stop. Keep going. Keep going. Stupid BuzzFeed thing again. All right, it's not bad. Actually, I got covered a lot of them. Let's go. Oh yes. But same time, we gotta just save the major on that side. Minor? It's minor, alright. Minor's pretty good. Minor for that is good.
When I was like 10 and it stopped at mini.
Yeah. Oh wow. That's a lot. That's a lot of hats. This is a free play. $10 free play. Whoa! That's huge. I almost got all the hats.
Looks nice. You can sauce every time.
Come on, gold. I need gold. Oh, yes, refrigger. Oh, I got more gold. Look, more gold hats. Like so many. Oh my god.
I think your free play works.
Yeah, the free play is definitely works. $1.50 free play, a $10 free play. Oh, no more. But I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gold tricks. I'll take the major. Actually, I'll take a couple minors. It's fine. Let's go, Wolfie. I'll hop and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. minis. Minor is fine. I don't know. Mini, minor. Whoa, 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 whoa. Minor! Yay! Woohoo! Oh, that's huge. That's 200. $240. That's huge. Yay! For those who say $10 can't do much, this is what it can do. And it was free play. What?
Alright, see
Say
you.
goodbye.
Back.
Oh, that's huge. All right, time to cash out for this one. Yes, say. Thanks for watching.